Congress aMAC Daniel Langthasa Congress pen kache'o.
I'm leaving the Congress party. हम Indian National Congress Party छोड़ दिया. Might come as a surprise for some, might not come as a surprise for some, but the fact.
Dimahasao District along Congress achili kivir.
Kivir in Haflong compared to DUNPO.
Inudbet cikun ling aMAC ta Congress pen suntanglo. Congress achili kibibet aMAC Daniel Langthasa Congress pen suntanglo. Daniel Langthasa APHLC asong along ta kachipok dunji angring kekla. Tangte dunjuiji ma APHLC asong along. Dimahasao along ke BJP sorkar laso jok hadak BJP asong atum jakong ing tangkring cena. Lason sikedam tanga por bang hinian ke Congress aMAC do. Bontanon ke la pula benpen Dimahasao District along inutta Congress aMAC awidetlo. Kai kita kachipang thip karjap thip inudbet Congress aMAC Daniel Langthasa ta pai for ni Congress asong pen kisunlo rat angno pakang pangdak tanglo. Jasemet Congress asong along ke jokwan awe la pen song ing tangkring awe tanglo la pen song he janang bong manpeng chipi thek thepu hai hui alang lia koi pipon la pen jasemet inglong a khemate Dimahasao la pen karibyang long along 6 schedule ke papu ka joinita ani ke duk chipaklang po.
6 schedule is under tremendous attack. ये हम लोग ने देखा है, हम लोग को डिस्ट्रिक्ट में देखा है, कार्बी आंगलोंग में देखा है, इवन BTC में देखा है. 6 शेड्यूल हम लोग बचा के नहीं रख सकेगा अगर एक पॉलिटिकल यूनिफिकेशन एंड यूनिफिकेशन अमंग द ट्राइब कम्युनिटीज अगर नहीं आएगा तो 100% श्योर 6 शेड्यूल का हम लोग और प्रोटेक्ट करने नहीं सकेगा इन लेस देन 10 years. जो चीज़ नहीं हुआ है वही तो कल हम लोग को उसको एक रियलिटी बनाता है. देयर इज अ फर्स्ट टाइम फॉर एवरीथिंग बट द फर्स्ट टाइम ऑफ समथिंग मेक्स हिस्ट्री. इम्पॉसिबल जैसा लगने वाला चीज़ ही होगा लेकिन ऐसा वाला चीज़ ही हिस्ट्री होता है. एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ हिस्ट्री इज व्हाट इज वर्थ फाइटिंग फॉर एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ हिस्ट्री इज व्हाट पॉलिटिक्स इज ऑल अबाउट.
Lasi 6 schedule ke pa phukwa joini aning ki punga jok APHLC asong along tong Daniel Langthasa dunji pumaputa cherok to kata da tumpen chethan pon rinti lapen penangar ni aprang APHLC ami phuje ai kathar lapen aMAC Daniel Langthasa ang bong sitame kachingki pa hem sodolo lapen isia chihu chipura jai me kalong sitame dora petlo pusi cherok to kata da tumpen lamthe paklang rinti. News desk report Malong News.
You in Haflong compared to DUNPO.
Compared to DUNPO, it is like paradise for us here.
So you had did you turn on the fan last night?
No, last night we didn't use the fan. It's so comfortable here.
But if you get too used to it, then it will be difficult going back to Karbi Anglong
Yes,
again.
yes, it will be difficult.
Yeah. So thank you for doing this talk show, or you can call it a podcast with me. So directly I want to start with APHLC, the party that you are heading right now. So recently we had the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council elections, and APHLC could not manage to win a seat, but then it emerged as the largest opposition party.
Yes.
And it has done really well in many areas. And what struck me the most, because I have been following APHLC's movement and the rise also, mostly through social media, because I could not be in Karbi Anglong on the ground that much, but I have been observing it. But what struck me most was the activities and movement of APHLC after the elections. Because before the elections, we all know that all political parties and candidates, of course, the campaign is the loudest and the strongest just before the elections. But